lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the intricacies of love, relationships, and all things romance. Today, we're going to explore a topic that's always fascinating and heartwarming: the language of love. Picture this: you've met an incredible guy, and your relationship is blossoming beautifully. As his feelings for you grow and expand, you'll notice something magical happening. His language starts to change. There are certain phrases and words that men tend to use when they're emotionally committed to you, even if they haven't explicitly expressed their love or desire for exclusivity. Let's dive right in and uncover these subtle yet super powerful phrases that indicate he's falling head over heels for you. The first phrase we'll discuss is, "Let me take care of it." When a man genuinely cares about you, he'll want to serve you and make your life easier. He'll be eager to contribute to your happiness and well-being. For instance, if you encounter a problem, he might insist on helping you fix it, not because he thinks you can't handle it yourself, but because he wants to be there for you. Now, I understand that some women may be hesitant to ask for help because they fear appearing needy or dependent. But let me tell you a secret: the right guy, the one who truly cares, will appreciate being needed. He'll embrace the opportunity to be of service and support you. So, don't be afraid to let him take care of things. It'll only bring you closer together. The second phrase you might hear is, "How is that for you?" This shows that he's deeply interested in your experiences, feelings, and preferences. He wants to know how you feel about things, whether it's a simple meal you're enjoying or a significant project you're working on. He's curious about your world and genuinely cares about making your experiences better. Imagine the scene from the movie City of Angels, where Nicolas Cage's character asks Meg Ryan's character to describe the taste of a pear. It's a perfect example of how a man falling in love with you becomes a sponge for every detail of your life. The third phrase, "I just wanted to hear your voice," is a clear indicator that he's thinking about you even when there's no specific reason to call. He just wants to connect with you and be in your energy. Your voice has a calming effect on him, and he finds comfort in being connected to you. Now, when a man starts suggesting future plans and saying things like, "We should go there," or "Let's do that sometime," it's a fantastic sign that he's picturing you in his future. There's no hesitation or doubt in his mind about having you by his side. This shows that he's fully committed to the relationship and sees a beautiful future with you. However, it's crucial to pay attention to any changes in his language. If he stops using the word "we" or making future plans, it could be a warning sign that he's becoming unsure or distant. Open communication is essential in such situations to understand what's going on and address any concerns. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever noticed a man using these phrases or similar ones when he was falling in love with you? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd be delighted to read your stories. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on love and relationships. Until next time, here's to your amazing love life. See you soon.